Hello friends, welcome to this video. Now in this video, we'll be seeing that how we can create clustered bar chart. But before that, we'll see that what are the advantages and disadvantages of clustered bar chart, what are its uses, and then we will go for the practical part. I'm in this sheet which is known as clustered bar chart sheet. So first of all, let us understand what is this clustered bar chart, or in also simple words we can say as a bar chart. So what is a bar chart in Excel? A bar chart shows categories on the vertical y-axis and values on the horizontal y-axis using horizontal bars to represent the data. The length of each bar reflects the value. So as we have seen in the previous videos that we created the clustered column chart. So in the clustered column chart, we are having the bars which are vertical, and in clustered bar chart, we are having the bars which are horizontal. So that is the major difference between the clustered column chart and the bar chart. Now in the bar chart also we have different kind of bar charts. So we have the clustered bar chart, stake bar chart, 100% stake bar chart, 3D bar chart that we'll see further in the upcoming videos. Now what are the uses of the bar chart? So just like column charts, the bar charts are also used for comparing the categories. So we can compare by, let's say, revenue by country or survey responses, etc. Then the major advantage of this bar chart is displaying the long category labels. Now see, sometimes the labels of the categories, let's say if they are very lengthy, then in that case we don't use the column chart, because if we use the column chart then we'll not be able to see the labels properly of the categories. That name will be cut in the column chart, but in the bar chart we have lot of space. If we are having, let's say, the category labels which are having very long name, then better you use the bar chart instead of the column chart. Then it is also used for ranking the data, highest to lowest, lowest to highest, handling large number of categories. Bar chart can display many categories without becoming cluttered, unlike column chart. So this is again an advantage of the bar chart, that we can see various categories. So here normally we don't have that much of, let's say, the constraint that okay, we can display only 3 to 12 categories, just as we have seen in the column chart. But in the bar chart, even if I'm having, let's say, 20 categories, still I can use the bar chart and it will show the data properly. So that is also the advantage of the bar chart. Visualizing part to whole relationship. So whenever we are using the stake bar chart, then we have this option of visualizing the part to whole relationship. Now what are the advantages of bar chart? Easy to read, just like column chart. Then as we have discussed earlier, that it is better for long labels. Whenever we are having a long name for the categories, then we use the bar chart. Then bar charts are also good for large data set. If we are having many categories also, let's say we are having 20 categories, 25 categories also, then also it is much more effective compared to the column chart. It is effective for the ranking also. Whenever we want to see the ranking from highest to lowest or lowest to highest, that is possible. Ideal when categories are not time based. Unlike column chart, bar charts are not commonly used for time trend, but they excel in comparing the groups. So see, normally column charts can also be used for seeing the trend over a period of time. But bar chart we normally don't use for the time trends. That is one of the drawback of bar chart, or limitation. I would not say drawback, but one kind of small limitation of the bar chart. What are the disadvantages of bar chart? Not suitable for time series analysis, that we already seen. Can look cluttered with stake bar. So normally when we have stake bar chart, then it looks a little bit cluttered. Reading values across horizontal space may be harder. Now see, normally we are used to seeing the values, let's say, vertically. The bar chart, we are having all the values put up in the vertical format. Not ideal for very large amount of data in stake form. So whenever we are having lot of stakes, then definitely this bar chart becomes confusing. Longer to draw if the order is not sorted. To show proper ranking, you must need to sort the data first. So whenever we want to see the data, or whenever we want to see the ranking in a proper format, then first of all, it is better that we sort the data first. So these are the advantages, disadvantages, uses of bar chart. Now let us create the bar chart very quickly. So here we are having a small table which is containing the different kind of products, and the revenues are written over here. So if you want to create a clustered bar chart, I select these two columns here or the whole table. I go to the insert tab. In the insert tab, I click this button here, and in this drop down here, we are having this various kind of bar chart. So we are having 2D bar chart, 3D bar chart. So first of all, we'll start with this one, that is the clustered bar chart. And now our bar chart is ready. Very, very easy. Already in the previous two videos, I've shown you these two different tabs that we have along with this chart. So we are having the chart design tab, we are having the chart format tab. Please check out those videos also. I'm putting the link on the top of this video. So you can see that in the chart design tab, we are having these various options, and the chart format tab also, we are having some other options. Please watch out these two videos. So this is how we have created very simply a clustered bar chart. Now, in the next video, we'll be seeing the stake column chart and stake bar chart together. See you then in the next video. Thank you very much.